Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 7th video, we will focus on how to encourage social responsibility in South Africans. Encouraging social responsibility in South Africans is important for building a stronger and more cohesive society. Here are some possible steps that can be taken to encourage social responsibility. 1. Promote civic education. Educating South Africans about their rights and responsibilities as citizens can help to build a culture of civic engagement. This can include teaching about the importance of voting, participating in community events, and engaging with local government. 2. Provide opportunities for community service. Providing opportunities for community service can help to encourage individuals to take an active role in their communities. This can include volunteering with local organizations or participating in service projects. 3. Support charitable organizations. Supporting charitable organizations can help to promote social responsibility by providing individuals with the opportunity to give back to their communities. This can include donating money, time, or resources to organizations that work to address social and environmental challenges. 4. Encourage sustainable practices. Encouraging sustainable practices can help to promote social responsibility by reducing the environmental impact of individual actions. This can include promoting recycling, reducing energy consumption, and conserving water. 5. Foster a culture of empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Fostering a culture of empathy can help to promote social responsibility by encouraging individuals to take the perspective of others and act with compassion. 6. Recognize and celebrate social responsibility. Recognizing and celebrating individuals who demonstrate social responsibility can help to encourage others to follow their example. This can include public recognition, awards, or other forms of positive reinforcement. These are just a few possible steps that can be taken to encourage social responsibility in South Africans. It will require a sustained effort and commitment from all stakeholders to promote a culture of engagement, empathy, and responsibility. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.